Hey, Juliana, good evening. How are you? Well, we're going to start with session two. Okay. In this session, well, first of all, do you have any questions from session one? The simple past of the verb be and also habitual past using used to. Did we understand that? Okay, let me know through WhatsApp or send me a message if you didn't, okay? Well, now we're looking at session two. We're going to be looking at compound nouns. Basically, a compound noun are two words, okay, put together, and it changes the whole meaning. For example, pan, cake, okay, you have it there. Okay, sun, shine, okay. Basically, one noun modifies the other noun, okay. So it makes it more descriptive. That's what it's about, okay. So let's take a look at what we have here. Compound nouns. If you look at it, we have butter plus fly equals butterfly. Sun plus flower equals sunflower. Water plus melon equals watermelon. Pine plus apple equals pineapple. So those are compound nouns. We put together two words, okay, completely different, then becomes one new word. Okay. Are there any questions? Okay. Well, let's continue with this. Let's look at what other samples we have of compound nouns. Let's take a look at this video and see what we may have. There we go. Compound nouns. It's a very short clip. It's a
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Invid Lab. In today's video we are going to learn about compound nouns. First let's learn what a compound noun is. A compound noun is made up of two or more words. Look at the following example. The words butter and fly get together and make the compound noun butterfly. Okay then, let's learn a few compound nouns. Sun, flower, sunflower. Light, house, lighthouse. Cup, cake, cupcake. Lip, stick, lipstick. Rain, bow, rainbow. Fire, arm, firearm. Rain, coat, raincoat. Arm, chair, armchair. Pan, cake, pancake. Foot, ball, football. Cup, board, cupboard. Foot, print, footprint. Basket, ball, basketball. Note, book, notebook. Ear, bow, earphone. Star. Fish. Starfish. Ear. Ring. Earring. Key. Board. Keyboard. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Key. Hole. Keyhole. Hand. Bag. Handbag. Door. Bell. Doorbell. Black. Board. Blackboard. Bed. Room. Bedroom. Book. Shelf. Bookshelf. Eye. Ball. Eyeball. Cow. Boy. Cowboy. Snow. Man. Snowman. Jelly. Fish. Jellyfish. Fire. Fly. Firefly. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my
Okay, Juliana, well, we saw the video. We saw lots of compound nouns. Okay. Now, I want you to give me some examples in today's exercise or the homework. Okay. If there are no questions, we can continue with the next grammatical explanation. And we're looking at quantity expressions. Okay, and here's the grammatical explanation. Quantity expressions are words or phrases that indicate the amount or number of something. They can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. And the specific expression used depends on whether the noun is countable or uncountable, and whether the sentence is positive, negative, or a question. Common quantity expressions with countable nouns referring to things that can be counted, like books, people, cars. Many indicates a large number. Example given, there are many books on the shelf. Few indicates a small number, e.g., or example given, I have few friends. A few indicates a small but sufficient number, e.g., I have a few minutes to spare. Several indicates a number more than two or three, e.g., I saw several people wearing hats. A number of, similar to several or many, e.g., a number of students are participating in the event. Okay, so those are some quantity expressions for countable nouns. Uncountable nouns or non-count nouns refer to things that cannot be counted. Okay, these nouns do not have a plural form, like water, time, money. Okay, quantity word much indicates a large amount, e.g., there isn't much time left. Little indicates a small amount. Example given, I have little money left. A little indicates a small but sufficient amount. Example given, I like a little sugar in my coffee. A great deal of indicates a large amount. Example given, a great deal of effort was put into the project. With both countable and uncountable nouns. Some indicates an indefinite quantity. Example given, I have some apples or I need some water. Any indicates an indefinite quantity often used in questions or negative sentences. Example, do you have any questions? Or I don't have any money. A lot, a lot of, lots of indicates a large quantity. Example, I have a lot of friends, or there's lots of food on the table. Plenty of indicates a sufficient or more than sufficient quantity. Example, we have plenty of time before the train leaves. All indicates the whole quantity. Example, I ate all the cake. Whole, similar to all. Example, I ate the whole apple. Enough indicates a sufficient quantity. Example, I have enough money to buy a car. Tips for choosing quantity expressions. Countable versus uncountable. The most important distinction is whether the noun is countable or uncountable. This will determine which expressions you can use, positive, negative, or question. The type of sentence, positive, negative, or questions can also influence your choice from quantity expression. Formal versus informal. Some expression are a lot more formal than others. For example, a large number of is more formal than a lot of. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Okay, with the grammar explanation. Everything else, we have a couple exercises, okay, that we need to complete. Okay. Well, it was fun giving you this grammar explanation on grammatical explanation on compound nouns and quantity expressions. Have a great night. Bye-bye.